PC like a pro? In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful CMD commands every Windows user should know. These aren't just tricks, they're real tools to fix, optimize, and master your system. Let's go. Type ipconfig and hit enter. Instantly, you'll see your local IP address and network info. It's super useful when fixing internet issues or setting up networks. This command scans and fixes corrupted Windows system files. Just type sfc/scannow and let it run. It's a lifesaver if your PC is acting weird or crashing often. Want to check your hard drive for errors? Run chkdsk/f. It will fix problems and improve disk performance. You might need to restart. Totally worth it. Set a timer to shut down your PC. Use shutdown-s-t60 to turn off your PC in 60 seconds. Replace 60 with any number. Great for scheduled shutdowns. Worried about strange activity? Type netstat-n to view all active network connections. You'll know if something fishy is going on. Use task list to see all running programs and background tasks. You can spot hidden apps or malware easily from here. Type pinggoogle.com to test your connection. It sends 4 data packets and tells you how fast or slow your internet is. Too much mess in CMD? Just type CLS and hit enter. Boom, a clean screen. Type woomi to display your current user account. Useful when working with admin accounts or shared computers. Use diskpart to manage drives, partitions, and even USBs. Powerful but dangerous. Don't use it unless you know what you're doing. Which one of these commands surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tech tips. See you in the next one.